I wanted to come here because I wanted to make a lasting impact. My name is Chinmay. I am from Boston. The environment here is truly uplifting. Whenever I wake up in the morning, I'm all lazy and groggy and all that. But when I see everyone working together, when I see everyone joyful, it truly motivates me too. The sense of community, we all just came together for one goal. You see, we had this unity. We had this oneness within us that we want to finish this Akshardham, and we got to it. People, I've heard so many stories. They've given up their job. They've given up their education, everything just to serve this Akshardham, just to build this Akshardham. So to explain to my friends and my family, I would simply put it as making an impact on history. I came here not knowing anything, but I got to work. I learned, and I got so many friends on the way along. You know, this Akshardham will outlive me for thousands of years, but making this, impact within history is why I wanted to come here.